Having trouble applying your lashes? It all starts with applying the glue properly. Using a ton of glue is not going to make the lashes more secure, and even too much clear glue will show. So unless you want this happening to you, make sure to use only a thin strip of glue. If you've ever experienced lashes sliding everywhere or corners that simply refuse to stay down, you most likely didn't wait until the glue reached a tacky consistency. And by tacky, you want your glue to do this. When you do wait the proper amount of time, you'll find that the corners are much easier to pin down and the lashes adhere more securely at first contact. Corners of your lashes lifting up? We've all experienced this. Try putting more glue on at the ends of your lashes. Remember to use your glue sparingly and wait for it to get tacky before applying. There are plenty of instances where the glue just gushes out and gets all over your falsies. If your glue is held upright and squeezed from the bottom, you'll have gravity working against you, giving you more control over the flow of your adhesive. Even if you do squeeze out too much glue, it'll never get on the lash itself. If your hands are a little too shaky for this method, spread some glue onto a clean surface or the back of your hand, then either drag the eyelash to the glue or use the end of a makeup brush to apply your glue onto the lash band. Whichever method you choose, the key is to use sparingly. Thanks for watching part 1 of our All About Adhesive series. Leave your questions and comments below and don't forget to subscribe.